We are at the entrance gate of Sir C.V. Raman High Tech Industry Integrated Polytechnic College. Please make note of the GPS location. The latitude and longitude is shown here. We are at the entrance of the proposed Sir C.V. Raman High Tech Industry Integrated Polytechnic College. Let's take a campus tour for the facility we have created for the first year requirements for the Polytechnic. The first and foremost thing which we have taken care of is creating a barrier-free environment. We have provided steps access as well as the ramp to ensure physically challenged students can also reach out to any portion of the first year facility. These steps and ramp is leading us to the corridor which accommodates 5 classrooms. So this corridor accommodates 5 classrooms up to the next ramp which you see there. Let's take a tour inside the classrooms. We are at classroom number 1. This is classroom number 2. Classroom number 3. Classroom number 4. And classroom number 5. Steps there leads us to the next level in the ground floor only, but it's at a slightly higher level, and it leads to the corridor comprising of the principal room and the laboratory. So once we cross the 5 classrooms in the corridor, we come to the next level through the staircase and the ramp which I showed you just now. We reach the faculty room for the first year. We have the extra furnitures arranged here as of now, but this will be used as the staff room for the first year. Adjoining the faculty room is the exam cell, which is interconnected to the principal's room also, which is adjacent to the exam cell. We are at the principal's room, interconnected to the exam cell. Next to the principal's room is the board room. The principal's room and the board room has got a attached toilet facility as well. We are at the south corridor, which is perpendicular to the classroom corridor which we just now saw. The south corridor has got the library, seminar hall and the placement sections to its left, and we have the labs to the right of the corridor. We are at the central library. The library is of 2 levels. This is the ground floor library. An internal staircase leads you to the next level, which will be covering in the later part of the tutorial through the barrier-free environment. Adjacent to the library is the seminar hall. Next to the seminar hall, we have the stationery section, which is also connected to the staff pantry, which is accessible from outside. The adjoining room is a central store. The central store also has an access from the outside corridor. To the south of the south corridor, as I explained earlier, we have the laboratory sections. First is the computer laboratory. This lab is supposed to accommodate 60 computer systems. Adjoining the computer lab is the language laboratory, comprising of 30 computer systems. Next to the language laboratory is the physics lab. Adjoining the physics laboratory is the chemistry lab. The chemical storage room is, this part of the chemistry lab is dedicated for separate chemical storage. At the east end of the south corridor, we have the first aid room. This section next to the first aid room, separated by another corridor running north-south, comprises of the gents toilet, one for the student, next is for the staff. Next we have the girls' common room, which has got the ladies' toilet for the girl students as well as the staff accommodate inside the girls' common room. This is the toilet facility for girl students. This is the janitor room for housekeeping purpose, adjoining which is the toilet for lady staffs. We are at the first year workshop, which has got an external access as well as an internal access. From the first aid room, you have the steps and the ramp leading to this corridor, which is parallel to the classroom corridor. This corridor leads us to the engineering drawing room, adjoined by the boys' common room. Adjoining the drawing room is the boys' common room. This is the area which we have proposed to use as the canteen. Though the permanent canteen is proposed in the new construction area, which will be in phase 3. This is the amphitheatre area which will serve as the canteen for the first year. We are at the north corridor of phase 1. This corridor adjoins the administrative area comprising of the chairman's room as well as the office room. The office room comprising the reception area and the accounts and the managerial area. This is a temporary provision we have given for the security room. Though the permanent security room and time office is planned in the north block, which is in phase 2, as you would see in the drawing furnished by us. Topographic section, which has got an access from the ground area itself. We are at the staff pantry, which has got access from the ground area as well. We already saw this besides the stationery stores as we were traveling through the south corridor. This is another barrier-free environment created for accommodating physically challenged students. This is a ramp leading us to the first floor, which will, as of now, lead to the level 2 of the library and future construction areas in the first floor. As explained, the ramp has led us to the first floor, apart from the other staircases we have leading us to the first floor. You can see behind me, we have already started constructing the required infrastructure for the phase 2, covering second year and the third year infrastructure. We can now see what is going in the first floor, apart from this newly concreted area, which is to be de-shuttered in a couple of days from today. We are making use of this non-occupancy of students this time to fasten the process of constructing parts of phase 2, except for the north block, which is a separate block from what we are in. Of the library as well as the future HOD cabins for second and third year is already complete in terms of the main infra, with the finishing works pending or ongoing. This is the internal staircase connectivity which connects the level 2 and level 1 of the library area. This is the parking shed proposed, and it is proposed to be extended once the landscaping is done in phase 2 construction. These are areas reserved for sports activities. Of course, down there you can see the sports facility already there, but that is the proposed area for the north block. So once that construction is on, the sports area would be shifted to this northeast corner of the. What you see to my behind is the phase 1 construction which we have taken a tour so far. This area is housing the playing courts as of now, but this will be covered up by the north block as proposed in our drawing. This is the fencing at the east boundary. This is the fencing along the north boundary. We are at the west boundary of the campus. This is alongside the main road. It's an all-weather motorable road. As a landmark, you can see an institution, a school just in front of our campus. This has got good bus facilities. Therefore, the approach road for the campus is perfect. I am at the south boundary, at the fencing of the south boundary, south of which is the open site reserve for our campus.